Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check spam messages on Instagram. For this is the first step is to open the Instagram app. So now you will have to move in the message box is the top right corner you will see. So here you will just go in the requests. So in the requests you will find where added scam protection to hidden words. So from here you will see in the hidden section is the spam messages of Instagram. So here you will be find in the message box, in the request section, and in hidden message. So that hidden message means the spam messages on Instagram, that means unknown. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.